Hi guys, I'm Synolve. How are you guys doing? So glad to see you here. Hope you're having an amazing day. Welcome, Royal Family. I am so excited to be here with you. Well, I'm Synolve. I'm your spiritual guide on your spiritual journey. And many of you are just coming into this new awakening, as part of the Great Awakening, as part of our spiritual journey and consciousness. Others of you have been on this journey for a very long time. And so it's beautiful reconnecting with the ancestors, reconnecting with our African mind and with conscious principles principles that enliven, invigor, and connect us with who we really are. And so it's beautiful. So today is December the 26th. It is the first day of Kwanzaa. And so we are celebrating. Now, Kwanzaa, of course, was established, reading from my notes, by Dr. Malana Karanga. And so beautiful, at the center of Kwanzaa. And so he established this in 1965. Wow, guys. There are 7 principles in Nguzo Saba, and the 7 principles are Umoja, unity; Kujishakalia, self-determination; Ujima, collective work and responsibility; Ujama, cooperative economics; Nia, purpose; Kuumba, creativity; and Imani, faith. So tonight we are lighting the day 1 candle, which is our black candle here in the middle, and it is Umoja. Okay, and so it is Umoja. It is unity, and it stresses the importance of togetherness for the family and the community, which is reflected in the African saying, "I am we," or "I am because we are." And so today we are lighting our candle. We are, as part of the tradition, we are to light the candle in the middle. Now, let me tell you a little bit about my Kwanzaa setup, okay? You are to have, 3 green candles and 1 black candle in the center, and then 3 red candles. Now, you see, I have 1 red, 1 green, and then 1 black. Now, I think the ancestors will be okay. If you're a behind the scenes member, you will have seen us out trying to find all these candles, and it's after Christmas, and we started at 11 o'clock today, and had a hard time finding candles. And so this is what we found. You can use white or gold or silver to go in place, but instead of that, we stuck with a traditional red, green, and then a black. Hopefully I'll keep looking throughout the week and see if I can find some, but if not, and that's the same thing you guys should do. Honey, make it do what we do. You make it do what it do. You know how we do around here. All right, guys. So tonight we are going to light our first candle, and that is for Umoja, which is unity, right? And it is the candle in the middle. And so unity, it's all about unity. It's about us unifying, working together as one, coming together as one nation. Many of us are repatriating home, visiting Africa for the first time. And so when we understand that we as a people, our brothers and sisters on the continent of Africa, and we who are here throughout the diaspora, must unite and come together to build a beautiful Africa, to build up each other, and to work together for the legacy of our children and our children's children, and for all of the ancestors and their work that has gone before us. So let us have a moment of silence. We are grateful for the ancestors for this moment. We're grateful for all of those who have come before us, and for all that they have sacrificed so that we can be here. We will light this candle. And so it is. And so now this candle will stay lit on the first day, and then we will continue to light a candle each day for Kwanzaa. And so thank you so much, all of you, for being here with me. Thank you for Loving and working in unity and harmony in this moment. And so it is a blessed moment. And I am grateful because it is because of us unifying as one, coming together as one, truly working together with each other, with our brothers and sisters, working and striving in unity, working to work together and be unified as a sister and brotherhood around the world, as a diaspora of African people, only allows us to rise. And so when we work together, when we love each other, when we really take the moment and the time to pour into each other and work in unity, right, for all that we do, working in unity for each other, right, as brothers and sisters, working in unity for our communities so that they rise, right, working in unity for our collective African government, right, which is governed by an African mind, no matter where we are, working in unity with those our brothers and sisters who are in Africa, on the continent, and those of us who are in the West, wherever we are. And so this moment, this is a season that we are in. It is a moment of unity that we've never seen before. It's beautiful, it's passionate, and it is amazing to see all of us collectively working together to really build something wonderful and to build something amazing and to do something beautiful, to bless each other as we are unified, right, on one accord in unity for one vision, one thought, one idea, which is to make Africa the beautiful, amazing continent that it already is, to allow her to continue to shine, to allow to listen to, as we hear the call of the ancestors and Mother Africa calling us back home, as we listen to each other, our brothers and sisters, and making sure that we are blessing each other and that we each have what we need: unity, unified in one collective voice, that we matter, that we love each other, and that we are powerful and amazing. Unified, right? Unity, on one accord, one voice, one vision, one passion, right? Moving Africa, moving Africans, no matter where we are, forward. All right. I love you guys so much. I am so blessed by each and every one of you. I thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't already, I'm Synolve. Please go ahead and click that subscribe button, and please share the broadcast. Comment below and let me know what you are doing to celebrate Kwanzaa. I would love to know. Let me know what you're doing to celebrate Kwanzaa, how you're celebrating with your family. I have adult children, and so my husband and I celebrate together, and I wanted to share this with all of you. It's in our living room, so it's kind of hard to miss it when you walk by. And I do hope I can find some more red candles for this side. But I do hope that you guys are doing all that you need to do to set up your Kwanzaa celebration. Let me know what you're doing. I've used just a piece of wood that we already had that hubby stained and cut here at home. I found each of these candles from Dollar Tree, and the candle stands also came from Dollar Tree as well. So it's really easy to set up a Kwanzaa celebration. And of course, all the information that you need, like here, is on this channel, but it's also on the internet, so it's pretty easy to find. So I hope you'll introduce this. Let me know if this is your first time celebrating Kwanzaa. Let me know if put a 1 down if this is your very first time celebrating Kwanzaa, or if you celebrated before. I would really love to know, and let me know what you guys are doing to celebrate and to bring and then third, let me know what you're doing to bring more unity in to your life. You're meditating on the word unity. You are concentrating, focusing on the word unity with your words, with your thoughts, and with your actions. Let me know what you are doing to bring Umoja into your life, and how you are bringing more and more unity into your world, right? I just want to make sure, Umoja, yes, unity. Let me know. Let me know what you're doing to bring more unity into your life and into your world. One of the things that I am doing is watching my thoughts, watching how I think about myself, watching how I think about my African brothers and sisters, watching how I think about my family, to think of our family, my own children and the children in my community in a unified way. And when I mean that, yes, Africans, how we think about each other as African Americans, as Africans throughout the diaspora, thinking of us as being unified, thinking of us as being in unity and harmony and a place of peace and a place of love with each other. And so unity means we work together, we hold arms and arms together. We work through all the things, right, that might otherwise keep us apart. We shed all of those other things, right, that keep us apart and keep us separated. And we decide that we are going to work together to move our collective forward, to move our people forward, to move our nation, to move our continent forward as one Africa, as one African people. And so that's what I'm doing. So let me know in the comments below what you're doing. All right. Love you guys so much. Again, this is Synolve. I hope this light, I hope the light, right? I pray that the light and love of unity of Umoja burns brightly in your hearts tonight and forevermore. Love you guys so much. Again, this is Synolve, and I'm going to see you in another video real soon. Bye-bye, guys. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe, all right? And share. Share this with someone who needs to really hear this message, all right? Love you guys. Bye-bye.